Hello. Welcome back to another daily Magic the Gathering pack opening. Today we're opening a pack of Spider-Man. Let us get right into it. This is the big day, number 99. Well, tomorrow's the big day, but this is in anticipation of the big day. Scorpion Sting, Wild Pack Squad, Unstable Experiment, Taxi Driver, Subway Train, Spider-Man No More, Spider Islanders, Lurking Lizards, Chameleon Master of Disguise, Molten Man Inferno Incarnate, Vulture Scheming Scavenger, Gwen Stacy, which turns into Ghost Spider, Venom's Hunger, Savage Mansion, and a Treasure Human Citizen token. That was all. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys again next time.